Let us now apply the two rules we have just learned, that is the longest chain rule and the lowest number rule, in the naming of some simple alkane structures which have been shown on the board. The first structure, on inspection, we could number this from either left to right, the way it is done, or right to left. In either case, the methyl will be at the second carbon atom, and therefore this compound will be 2-methyl propane, propane being the parent hydrocarbon. The second structure, this is also a symmetrical structure in the sense that whether we number this from left to right or right to left, the methyl, the two methyls, it would be a 2,3 dimethyl, the parent carbon skeleton being butane, therefore 2,3 dimethyl butane. Third structure, slightly different from the above two. If we numbered it the way we have numbered it, which has been done after inspection, this from right to left, then the methyl is attached to the third carbon atom in the skeleton, and this would therefore be 3-methyl hexane, since there are 6 carbon atoms in the skeleton. If we number it from left to right, then the methyl would be on the 4th carbon atom, 1, 2, 3 and 4th carbon atom, which would be against the rule, the lowest number rule, since it has a higher number, 4 being greater than 3, and therefore this would be the incorrect name. If we now come to the fourth structure, the numbering being done from right to left, then there are 2 methyl groups attached to the third carbon atom, the carbon skeleton being a hexane. This would be 3,3 dimethyl hexane, and not 4,4 dimethyl hexane, which would be the name if the numbering was done from left to right. This carbon atom would have the 4th number, but this would be incorrect since this does not obey the lowest number rule. The fifth one is slightly more complicated. We have applied both the rules, namely the longest chain, which needs to be continuous. The longest chain, as you can see, would be a 7 carbon atom chain corresponding to the parent hydrocarbon heptane. There are 2 ethyl groups attached at the third carbon and the 4th carbon, and this would therefore be 3,4 diethyl heptane.